Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel Myitlab Genius. In today's session, we are taking a chapter 7th of recently launched Excel 2022 course, focusing on Exp22 Excel chapter 7 ML2 employees. You can see your project description to get idea about your project. I will guide you through this assignment step by step, making it easy for you to follow, and you can run your assignment by watching this video. You can contact me for your assignments, exam, quizzes or complete course. You can contact me through my WhatsApp and email. Both are given in description. My WhatsApp link is given in description. My WhatsApp and email shows on my PC screen. Please contact me for your A+ grades. Let's start our assignment to solve step by step. Exp22 Excel chapter 7 plus. Here is project description. Moving on step number 1. Start Excel, download and open the file name. Basically in this step we will have to download the Excel workbook from Myitlab dashboard. I have already downloaded Excel workbook from Myitlab dashboard. Exp22 Excel chapter 7 ML2 applies. Excellent. Okay. I have already downloaded. You can see on my Excel workbook. Now moving on step number 2. I have done step number 1 now. Moving on step number 2. Step number 2 is that make sure the date worksheet is active in cell G7. Insert the switch function to evaluate the city stored in G7 in cell D7. In this sequence, switch dash movements for low up, ST pole for Masola. Okay, we will have go to cell. We will have enter a function switch function in cell G7. Go to Excel workbook and click in cell G7. Click in cell G7. Switch function in cell G7. Then switch. Insert the switch function to the here. Okay. Then enter a formula. Okay, you can see I am entering the formula. Okay. Then dash means okay. Switch function D7 dash means then A3 okay. ST Paul I am entering formula. You can see ST Paul okay. Then mailbox then A4 okay. This formula is enter now, then press enter. Okay, oh sorry. Copy the function to the cell G9 to range. Okay, this is my old version of Office. Basically, in this version, I will update today. If this formula is not update, I put correct formula. You will put this formula and you will find value. I will find, but this is old version. Go to next question. Next step. Next step is that year function in salvage 7 C7 to insert H7 insert the year function. Okay, it will be find value in here. Okay, C7 copy the function H7 to the H8 to H31. Use cylinder to the copy the function H8 to H31. Okay, you can see here I have done three steps of this assignment. Now moving on next step. Next step is that step number 4. In cell I7, insert the hierarchical function to calculate the years between the first implies hire date and the last date of the year contained in cell C2. Use a mixed reference appropriate the copy the function. Go to cell I7 enter hierarchical function. Hierarchical function. Okay. Then enter formula. Okay, C7 to C2. Okay, it will be fine value 5.3. Okay, you can see here your replied is fine now. Now enter copy the function I add to I31. Okay, copy the function this I add to I31. Okay, now I have done fourth step of this assignment. Now moving to next step number is step number 5. Step number 5 is that insert J7 insert the weekday function to display the date of the week for the first employee's hire date. Copy the function to J7 to the range J31. Okay. Enter formula weekend. Enter function weekend. Then enter formula C7. Okay, enter. Hire days weekly. Okay. Copy the function J7 to the range J31. J8 to J31. Copy the function. Okay. It's done now. I have done 5 steps of this assignment. Now moving on step number 6. Step number 6 is that format the range J7 to 31 as a custom number format ready form. Okay. Basically, step we will have to enter a custom format. Copy this range. Go to Excel workbook. Copy. Then we will enter a go to the number group. Go to the custom. Go to the custom. Then journal. Then duty form. Customs and remove journal. Okay, here is duty form. Okay, here is duty form. Okay, then okay. It will be shows Friday, Thursday, Wednesday it will be shows weekend day. Okay, you've done 6 steps of this assignment. Now moving on step number 7. Step number 7 is that insert K7 insert the e-date function to identify the month. That's the 6th month from the first employee's hire data. Copy the function to the range K8 to K35. Basically, we will have to enter e-date function insert K7. Go to Excel workbook insert K7. Enter e-date function. E-date function. Then enter a formula. C7 2 6 Okay, then press enter. Okay, it will be shows February. Okay, copy the function to the range case 8 to get 31. Copy this function to the range case 31. It shows all values, all days, all weekend days. Okay, I have done 7 steps for this channel. Now moving on step number 8. Step number 8 is that inside L7 insert if else function to enter the bonus based on the performance score for the first employee. Use the respective score. Use the respective scores stored in cell E2 to E3 and E4 for the individual logic test. Use the respective bonuses in cell F2 to F3 and F4 to return the correct bonus. If none of the logical tests are true, the result should be 0. Use mixed reference separately. Copy the function to the range L8 to L31. Okay. Basically, in this step, we will enter a if s function in cell L7, if s function in cell F7, L7, if s function L7, etc. If s function, then enter a formula. Okay, then enter formula F7 greater than is equal to E7, E2, F2, okay, and F7 greater than is equal to if E3 you can see I have entered this formula entering okay less than is less than E2 then press enter okay sorry F3 to and function okay then F7 greater than is equal to E4 to F7 greater than less than is equal to less than E less than E3 okay then press enter oh sorry F4 this formula is so lengthy you can see their formula this formula is so lengthy formula you can tell me for your help through my WhatsApp email okay F7 less than E4 0 then press enter okay this value is shown but in this version you can't see value if you will update it 2 days this my office then it will be shown okay copy the range this function I have done 8 steps of this assignment now moving on step number 9 step number 9 is that in cell M7 nest and end function with an if function if the job title is a representative and the cell go to Excel workbook go to the cell M7 and B7 is equal to representative, yeah, E7 less than okay E7 okay. Sorry, okay. Change this function, if and function, sorry. Okay, it will be shown equally adjustment is 0. Then we will use fill handle this function M7 to M31. Copy the range function M8 to M31. Okay, it will be shown our value. You can see here I have done 9 steps of this assignment. Now moving on step number 10. Step number 10 is that in cell N7 insert the FV function. Use the variable in the ranges N2 to N4 in the FE argument. The rate of the APR divided 12 months in year and the number of payment periods in the number of year multiplied by 12 months in a year. Use mixed cell reference appropriate. Make sure the function refund positive result. Copy the range and at 13 go to Excel workbook in cell N7. We will have to enter a function FV function. We will have to enter FV function cell N7. Then and 2 divided by 12 months year, 12 months in year. Then and 3 multiplying by 12 months in year. Then subtract from and 4. And 7. Okay, it will be shown investment for year. Okay, it will be shown investment in 4 year. You can see our value. We will use fill handle 2 and 8 to and 31. I have done 10 step of this assignment. I have done 10 step. You can see it. 10 step is completed now. For remaining step or you want to do for a complete course, you can contact me through my WhatsApp and email. Both are given in description and shows on my PC screen. My WhatsApp link is given in description and my email is given in description. You can contact me. I will provide you A+ grade and your assignment, exam quizzes or complete course. Thanks for watching my video. Please subscribe my channel and like my video. Best of luck.